Hey guys, welcome back to Ketchup to Caviar, and welcome again back to Charlie's Place here in beautiful Niana, Connecticut, not even a half mile to the beaches. You guys ready? Today we're doing an amazing dish, a Sesame Seared Ahi Tuna. So here we have grade A sushi ahi tuna. Here we have an already made cold soba noodle salad, which I made earlier. Cracked black pepper. This is a tonkatsu sauce, which is a vegetable fruit puree. This is a homemade mango salsa with pickled jalapenos and a sweet chili emulsion I made. Very simple, anyone can do this. Gonna use a very hot saute pan. Gonna put a little bit of oil into it in a minute, right after we season up this fish. As you can tell by the color of this fish, this is a beautiful ahi tuna. I'm going to put cracked black pepper all over it. Give it a little press, make sure it's in the product. Give that a little press. Now the same thing, I'm going to take it and I'm going to stick it right over here into these sesame seeds. Give this a little shake. Cover completely up. And there we are. We're ready to go. The saute pan in 2 seconds. All right, guys, so we're going to put in here probably about a tablespoon and a half of oil. We're going to take our ahi tuna, drop it right in the pan, away from us. Now this is going to take probably about 2.5 minutes on each side to get a nice hard sear in this. And I'm going to stick it in the oven for probably about another minute or so to make sure that I get to that rare. I'm going to take it off that hot pan, and I'm going to let it cool in the refrigerator for probably about 20 minutes to make sure that it's bone cold. As you can tell, just enough oil, not too much, it's not swimming in it, and it's not enough that the entire fish has taken on the oil where it might be burning to the bottom. Now I don't want to shake this pan, I don't want to move it, because I want those sesame seeds to adhere to that fish. Take a quick little peek at it, make sure I'm getting some color on those sesame seeds. I'll give it a flip, about another minute or so on that side. In the oven it goes. It's brown around the edges, it's brown in the middle. Let this go for another 30 seconds or so. In the oven it goes. So now if you want to cook this a little bit longer, of course, another minute or so in the oven is going to bring you to medium. And the minute after that or so is going to bring you to off medium well. And on and on and on. It's really, really simple. So this pan's really hot right now. I'm going to turn it off. Got a nice sear on the fish. Beautiful sesame seared ahi tuna. In the oven it goes for 1 minute. During that time, I'm going to pull up my cold, ice cold plate, because this is going to be a cold dish. Perfect rare, perfectly cooked rare piece of fish. I'm going to get this off of this platter and onto something cold so I can cool this almost immediately. All right, guys, so this has been in here now for 20 minutes, which is the perfect amount of time to make sure you cool this off to make sure it's bone cold for this dish. All right, guys, so this is our cold soba noodle salad made with rice noodles. Fantastic pasta dish. You just cook it off as normal as you normally would. Flavor with any type of your flavored ingredients. I happen to do a sweet yakitori sweet chili sauce with scallions, sliced thin julienne carrots. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to put it right here in the middle of the dish. A little off center, top of the plate. I'm going to take this tuna and slice this up. There is our appetizer portion right there, people. We're going to finish this dish off with a couple things over here. This is a sweet chili emulsion. I put a little cilantro in here, little minced ginger and garlic. Go right around this dish. Right around this dish. This is a little tonkatsu sauce. Sweet vegetable puree. Of course, a spicy mango pickled jalapeno salsa. And of course, I want to finish this dish off with just a couple chives, because that's where it's at, people. So this is a Sesame Seared Ahi Tuna with a cold soba noodle salad with a mango pickled jalapeno salsa and a sweet chili emulsion. We make dishes like this almost every single night. Come down and check us out.